Assalamu alaikum students. Hope that you will be fine. Today I am going to teach you that is very important for every student. That's about how to speak better English. How can we speak fluently? How can we speak properly? Easy tips. One by one I will make understand in detail. So let's move. The first one is fear. Whenever you are going to speak English or any language, don't feel fear and scare. Be relaxed. Think that there is nothing in front of me. Relax your body. The second one, I didn't write, I didn't mention. So what do you think? It will be? You may tell me the second one. The second one is be confident. Be confident. Be confident. Don't think say don't think that who's standing or sitting in front of me, to whom I'm speaking. Just be relaxed, don't feel scared, and be confident to whom you are talking about. Be relaxed, relax your body. The third one is know your audience. Know your audience means that to whom you are talking about, to whom you are speaking, or who is your listener, who's listening you. According to that, you may speak English, you may speak properly. कोई भी आपके सामने मौजूद हो, आपने सोचना है कि कौन मौजूद है, अब हमने बोलना कैसे है। पहले अपने रिलैक्स रहना है, बिल्कुल आप लोग आपकी ज़हन में खौफ नहीं होनी चाहिए। रिलैक्स योर बॉडी। दूसरा है कॉन्फिडेंट, बी कॉन्फिडेंट। समझो कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे सामने, और फिर उसके बाद है कि कौन आपको सुन रहा है, आप किससे बात कर रहे हो। फिर उसके बाद है हमारे पास don't try to be perfect because no one is perfect. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak again and again. With the passage of time, you will be a good speaker. Don't think that you are perfect speaker because no one is perfect. कोई भी मुकम्मल नहीं है. Just try. One day you will fly. And the fifth one is mistakes are good. Why I am saying like this? Mistakes are good. Because in a proverb we say that there is a proverb, a room cannot be built in a day. बच्चा एक दिन में मुल्ला नहीं बन सकता है. So you can commit mistakes. With the passage of time, you will eradicate, you will remove your mistakes. So don't feel scared while committing mistakes in your speaking power. After that, practice. Do practice with everybody, the one who knows English or the one who doesn't know. Just try to speak or record your own video and listen again and again. Where do you commit mistake? Okay, just erase it, just remove. जहां पे आप गलतियां करते हो, सही है, उसको दूर कर दो. अपनी ही वीडियो, अपनी ही वॉइस सुन ले, या फिर किसी के साथ एंगेज हो जाए, किसी के साथ बोलने में आप कोशिश कर ले. ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश विद हिम और विद हर. कुछ सेंटेंसेस आपके सही होंगे, उसके गलत होंगे. कुछ सेंटेंसेस आपके गलत होंगे, उसके सही होंगे. सो यू मे रिमूव, यू मे इम्प्रूव योर स्पीकिंग पावर हियर. आफ्टर दैट, build your vocabulary. Though vocabulary, it's very important for everybody, it's very crucial for everybody. अगर आपने सही प्रॉपर इंग्लिश बोलना है तो आपके पास अच्छे से अच्छे vocab होनी चाहिए, वर्ड्स होनी चाहिए. ताकि आप वहाँ पे इस्तेमाल कर सकें. If you have good vocab, if you have good words, okay, so you can speak fluently, confidently, there will be no fear and scare. So improve your vocabulary. After that, listen and imitate. Listen, people. Don't think that he's a good speaker or he's not a good speaker. Listen him. Maybe he has great idea. Just listen him and imitate. Copy his or her words. Important vocabularies, not every vocabulary. Copy his idea. Copy his knowledge. What is he saying?